Hi, my name is Emilee Roadcap. I'm in Feathers and Fur 4-H. I'm 13 years old and this is my 4th year presenting. Today we are going to be making Jeanettes. So first I will be showing you the ingredients. The ingredients I'm showing you here are going to be used to make the cookie. Right after I will show you how to make the icing. So here you will be needing 6 eggs, a cup of sugar, 2 tablespoons of lemon extract, 2 sticks of butter, 5 teaspoons of baking powder, and 5 cups of flour. But of course you could always cut this recipe in half if you don't want as many cookies. The ingredients to make the icing are milk, powdered sugar, and this is not a necessity, but I do love sprinkles, so I will be putting sprinkles on my cookies.
Preheat your oven to 350.
Now before you start, you want to make sure your hair is tied up and you wash your hands. So first what you're going to do is you're going to take your 6 eggs and you're going to put it in your stand mixer. And you're going to beat that for 2 minutes. Now you will be needing your sugar and your lemon extract. So what you're going to do is you're going to pour your sugar and the same with your lemon extract. Now you're going to beat that again for 2 minutes on low. Your mixture should start to look a little something like this. Now you're going to take your soft butter and you are going to put it in a bowl. And you're going to mix that on medium. Mix until it looks fluffy. Your mixture should start to look like this. Next you will be needing your flour and your baking powder. So what you're going to do is you're going to pour your baking powder into the flour, put that aside, you're going to whisk it together. You could also use a fork for this. Now, little by little, you're going to pour this mixture into your bowl. You are going to want to have your stand mixer on low and you're going to want to slowly pour this into it. As it is mixing, you will see the dough start to form and you will see the little clumps. You can turn the mixer on a little higher if you need to. Just be a little slower with the flour and the baking powder. Your dough should look a little something like this. Lift your dough out of the bowl and you can use a spoon or fork to get it out of the beater. Let your dough sit until it is no longer sticky. Now you're going to need your tray with some parchment paper. You're going to start to form your cookies. Now what you're going to do is you're going to grab some dough. You're going to roll it in a ball about 3/4 of an inch in diameter. I will be back. Now that you have 1 full tray of Jeanettes, you're going to put that in the oven and you're going to want to set your timer for 8 minutes. Now, I have a lot of dough left, so I will have to do this twice. And if you cut your recipe in half, then you only have to do it once, but I will have to do this twice. While your cookies are cooking, make sure you wash your hands. Your cookies should look like this when they are done. Let them cool. And now we are on to making the icing. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to take a spoon and scoop into some powdered sugar. Nothing has to be exact here. it's a certain consistency that you're going to try and find. And I like to add capfuls of milk at a time. And try and mix that. Now it's a little too watery here. Now I got a lot of powder left to mix, but it's a little too watery still, so we're gonna add some more powdered sugar. You want the icing to be thick, but not too thick. It should look like this. Maybe a little thicker if you would please. Then you're gonna take your Jeanettes. Just gonna dip it, put back on the plate, throw some sprinkles on there. And you're just gonna keep repeating doing that. A tip would be to not make all the icing at once, because it does dry down pretty fast, as in this plate I've already done. It's already hardening. So once again, to make your icing, you're going to want to get your Jeanette, dip into the icing, put some sprinkles on it, and put it down. Enjoy!